Hello student, welcome back for your next class. In previous class we have discussed some properties of adjoint of matrix, and today we will solve some problem by using those properties. Okay, so let's start. First problem is, if P is a matrix of the element 1 alpha 3 1 3 3 2 4 4, okay, is the adjoint matrix of 3 cross 3 matrix A, okay, and det A, that means determinant A equal to 4. Then find the value of alpha. Okay, it is given that, look, A is a matrix and determinant A is 4. That means value of determinant is 4, and P is the adjoint matrix of A. Okay, P is the adjoint matrix of A. We have to find the value of alpha. Okay, we learned the properties that adjoint A, mode of adjoint A, that means determinant of adjoint A equal to determinant of A whole to the power n minus 1. Okay, what is n? N is the power, order. N is order. Okay, here n is 3. That means determinant of P equal to determinant of A whole to the power n minus 2. That means 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1. Okay, look, mode of P. What is that? Means determinant of P. Calculate it. What is the procedure? We have to take any row and multiply with corresponding cofactor. Let us take the first row 1 alpha 3, okay, and multiply with the cofactor 1 into cofactor of 1. Cofactor of 1 means 3 into 4 minus 3 into 4. That means 12 minus 12. Okay, minus alpha into 3 into 2, 6, 4 into 1, 6 minus 4, okay, plus 3. This into 1 into 4 minus 3 into 2, that means 4 minus 6, 4 minus 6, okay, equal to determinant A whole to the power 2. Here it is 0, okay. 6 minus 4, that means 2 minus 2 alpha. It will be plus, okay. It will be plus 2 alpha. Here 4 minus 6, that means minus 2. Minus 2 into 3, that means minus 6. Minus 6. And determinant of A, it is given that det A equal to 4. That means 4 to the power 2. Clear? That means 2 alpha equal to 4 to the power 2, that means 16 plus 6 equal to 2 alpha equal to 22, imply alpha equal to 11. Clear? Let us discuss the next problem. Okay, let A be and 2 cos 2 matrix, then examine that which of the following are correct. Okay, Number 1 is adjoint of adjoint A equal to A. Okay, and number 2 is determinant of adjoint A equal to determinant A. We have to check that these results are correct or wrong. Okay, adjoint of adjoint A equal to A. We know that adjoint of adjoint A equal to det A whole to the power n minus 2 into A, det A whole to the power n minus 2 into A, but here it is given that only A, so it is correct or wrong. Let us check what is n. Here n is order of the matrix A. Okay, but here A is 2 cos 2 matrix, that means here order is 2, here order of A is 2, so adjoint of adjoint A equal to det A whole to the power 2 minus 2 into matrix A. That means it will be det A to the power 0 into A, something to the power 0, it equal to 1 into A, that means A. Adjoint of adjoint A equal to A. So the statement 1 is correct. Okay, now we have to check that statement 2 is correct or wrong. We know that determinant of adjoint A, it's equal to determinant A whole to the power n minus 1. Okay, but it is given that determinant of adjoint A equal to determinant of A. So it is correct or wrong. Okay, here n is order, but the order of A is 2 here. Okay, so adjoint of A, it will be determinant A whole to the power 2 minus 1, that means determinant of A 1, that means determinant of A. Okay, in this video up to that, and in next video we will discuss about inverse of a matrix. Okay.